First of all, we will make head. We will make 6 single crochet into magical ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now we will insert stitch marker and make 2 single crochet in each stitch. At the end of this round we will have 12 single crochet in total. Into our next round, which is third round, we will make 1 single crochet and 2 single crochet into the next stitch. We will repeat it till the end. At the end of this round we will have 18 single crochet in total. We have complete 3 rounds. Now we are going to make our 4th round. Into 4th round we will make 5 single crochet, and 2 single crochet together into the 6th stitch. We will repeat it more 2 times, and at the end of this round we will have 21 single crochet in total. After completing this round 4, we will make more 3 rounds of 21 single crochet. As you can see, we have completed our 7 rounds. Now we will make our 8th round by decreasing 1, 2, 3 single crochet, 4 and 5. Now decrease 2 single crochet. Repeat it for more 2 times, and at the end of this round we will have 18 single crochet in total. Now we will make round 9. Here we will make 2 single crochet, one single crochet, and one decrease into all next stitches, one single crochet and one decrease. At the end of this round we will have 12 single crochet in total. Now we will fill the head with polyester filling. Fill the head tightly. Now we will make decrease in all 12 single crochet, and at the end of this round we will have 6 single crochet in total. Now we will pull out the stitch marker and sew all 6 stitches with the help of twisted needle. Now we will make body of teddy bear. Make 6 single crochet into magic ring. In our second round we will make 2 single crochet into each stitch, and at the end of this round we will have 12 single crochet in total. Into our third round we will make 2 single crochet three single crochet, and into the fourth stitch we will make 2 single crochet together. At the end of this round we will have 15 single crochet in total. Into our fourth round we will make 4 single crochet and at the fourth stitch we will make 2 single crochet together. We will repeat it for 2 times, and at the end of this round we will have 18 single crochet in total. After completing round 4 we will make more 4 rounds of 18 single crochet. Now we will decrease 1, 2, and 3. Repeat it till the end. We will make 3 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, and make decreasing in the 4th and 5th stitches. Repeat it for more 3 times, and at the end of this round we will have 12 single crochet in total. Sorry, we will have 15 single crochet in total. Here I want to clear that we will make decrease after 4 stitches. First of all, we will make 4 single crochet and decrease in upcoming 2 single crochet or 2 stitches, and at the end of this round we will have 15 single crochet in total. Into next stitch, into next round we will make 3 single crochet, 1 2 3, and we will make decrease into upcoming 2 stitches. We will repeat till the end, and at the end of this round we will have 12 double single crochet in total. Now we will fill the body and make decreasing in all 12 single crochet. As you know that we have now 12 single crochet in total. After decreasing 12 single crochet we will have 6 single crochet in total, and then we will sew all 6 single crochet and fasten off the body. Now we will make legs. We will make 7 single crochet into magic ring, in round 2 we will repeat round first. Before completing round 2 we will insert brown yarn and make more 4 rounds with brown yarn of 7 single crochet. We have completed 4 rounds, but these are not enough for leg, so we will make more 2 rounds and then fasten off the leg. Now we will make ear. We will make 10 single crochet to magical ring and then make 10 single crochet for more 2 times and fasten off. You can see that we have made 2 ears. Now we will make nose. We will make 6 single crochet into magic ring and then make 2 more rounds of 6 single crochet and then close. 1 2 3 4 5. Repeat this for 2 more times and close. Now we will make tail with 8 single crochet into magic ring, and we will repeat 8 single crochet for more 3 times and then close. Tail is also completed. Now we will make arms. Before making arm, we will measure the size of our wrist. Mine is about 14 cm. After measuring, we will cut a foldable wire of 14 cm. We will cut 2 wires and then make 2 arms. Also cut 2 small pieces according to the size of leg. For the both legs we will cut 2 pieces. For the both arms, first we will make 6 single crochet into magic ring. Then we will make the second round of 6 single crochet and then change the color of brown. After making 2 rounds, I will join brown color yarn, and then I will make at least 50 rounds with brown color yarn. I have completed the both arms according to the size of wire. Now I will insert wire inside the arms. First of all, we will join and sew the ears and nose with a thin thread and thin needle. As you can see, we have adjusted our all body parts. Now we will sew and move the both arms with both sides. After joining the arms, fold the head at the one arm and also fold according to the size of your wrist, and now it is ready to wear. I hope you will like my video. We will meet in next video inshallah with new idea. Take care of yourself and your family. Bye bye and Allah Hafiz.